If you like AI images, or I would say very good AI images, please take a look at this video because I have an opportunity for you. This is the ArtSpace AI homepage, as you can see, and I just received an email from Nico from ArtSpace AI where he's talking about some really big news. The first one is a new AI model called Photorealism 2024, and as you can see, this is an example image of this new AI model, but the next news is that they are switching to a monthly subscription model. So you have the last chance to grab your lifetime deal with ArtSpace. I will show you something really interesting in this video, so if you like this kind of content, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. As I said, you still have some few days to take advantage of this lifetime deal to generate very good AI images, and you even have an unlimited plan, as you can see here. This is the price, but if you use my link in the description and use the code you find in the description, you also can have a special discount. Please take a look at the description. So these are the three plans. This is unlimited. With this one you can generate up to 2000 images per month, and with this one you can generate up to 500 images per month. This is the countdown, so when this will reach to 0, you will not be able anymore to take advantage of this lifetime deal. But let me show you what you can find in ArtSpace, because this is, in my opinion, one of the best AI images generators you can find, and having this lifetime deal opportunity makes it even better. Before showing you some of the features of ArtSpace, I want to show you this gallery. These are images generated by users, and I want you to notice something, because take a look at this. For example, let me open this image. Watch the quality of this AI generated image, and please watch the hands, because we know perfectly that hands are a very big issue for AI usually. But this new AI model, Photorealism 2024, can generate this kind of images. This is another example, another beautiful girl here. This is the quality of the image. It seems real, and again, hands are really good. This is a face, for example. I will say pretty realistic, and again, this is another woman here, but you can obviously generate other kind of images like this, for example, like this one. And again, you can find many examples in this gallery section for ArtSpace. This is why we look at this. It's really high quality. This is why I'm saying this is one of the best AI generators you can find. And obviously, with ArtSpace, the most basic thing you can do, you can generate images by writing your text like this. You can do inpainting, so you can substitute a part of an image just by selecting the part you want to change and just ask AI to generate something different. You can even outpaint, so you do the opposite. You can enlarge an image by generating new sections of your original image with ArtSpace, and it works pretty good, as you can see. You can upscale your images up to 4K per 4K, so you can obtain very high quality, very large images in a very easy way. Take a look at these. You just enlarge your section and generate. This will upscale your image. You can remove the background of images with just the click of one button, and in a pretty good way. This is an example. You have different options and you can remove the background. The stylize feature gives you the chance to change the style or choose the style of your image depending on what you want to generate. And what makes ArtSpace different from the others is this infinite canvas. So you can generate many images in the same canvas. It's really different from others AI generators. Obviously, you can generate a different style of images like business one, people, landscapes, animals, lifestyle images, fashion images in different styles, graphics, and many more. This is how ArtSpace works. We can see all the features in a nutshell. We have the Nova AI model, the Photorealism 2023, the updated version, the 2024 that works even better. You have a Dream Studio to generate other kind of images, Anime Alchemist to generate anime kind of images. You have the Smart Content Filter, Upscale, Reimagine, Remove Background, Improve Faces, so you can generate better faces. You have the Drawing, Inpainting, Outpanting, 4K to generate high quality images, Infinite Canvas, Stylize, Style Modifiers, the Gallery, the Getting Started Guide, so you can learn how to use the tool, and also API, so you can integrate this tool, for example, with CopySpace. This is the other tool made by Nico Engler, but I suppose that with API you will be able to connect even other apps. So this is your chance. You still have a few days to take advantage of this lifetime deal, and again you have 3 different plans based on your needs, based on the number of images you can generate each month. After this will reach 0, you will not be able anymore to purchase this lifetime deal. In the description you can find the link, and you can find the special code you need to use in order to have a special discount. So please watch in the description, and when you will generate your account and will choose the plan, you will be able in the checkout process to include this special code. Let me show you very quickly some other images generated with ArtSpace. This is another very good one, super high definition. And again, we can see other styles of images. Some are realistic, some are cartoon styles, some are graphics. You can really generate whatever you want. Even this one, very high quality. Look at the details of this one, and obviously in the gallery you can also see the prompt used and the AI model used to generate these images. Not bad at all. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope you will be able to take advantage of this last chance for ArtSpace Lifetime Deal. Again, in the description there's the link and the code to have a discount. That's it, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, you can click here and watch for my other contents, and as always, thank you very much. I'll see you soon in the next video.